Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn about basic keyboard music theory. Okay, so so in order to play like this, okay, we need to know about which note is alphabet letter C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. Okay, so let me show you how to figure out which part of the keyboard gets the alphabet letter. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, do you know how many keys are in the keyboard in the piano? Yeah, normally on the piano 88 keys, 88, including white and black keyboard. Okay, so white and black keys, those are normally 88 keys. Okay, and then three pedals. I will explain about the pedal later. Okay, so today we are going to learn which note gets the alphabet letter. So as you can see, piano has white keys and then black keys too. Okay, so normally I can show you the tip. So there is a piano company's name here, and the middle C is around here, and then the middle C, find the middle C is the key first, and those two black keys and three black keys, do you see them? And then in the two black keys part, okay, two black key and three black keys, right? So two black keys in the middle, and slide down in the left side of the black key. Okay, this note is middle C. Okay, get it? Middle C. Okay, if you have a keyboard, or you can download the keyboard app on your tablet or the cell phone. Yeah, and you can see the C note, right? So let's find from the bottom of the keyboard. Okay, let me go. Keep going. And here we have the bottom C, very low, right? And then find the C, then move C. So if it's hard for you, you can count 8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8th note is the same note. Okay, C. Okay, let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, the same C. Or you can find a pattern. 2 black keys, and then the left side one slide down to the white key. Okay, that's the C. Okay, or you can count from the C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. C again. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and C. Do you think we have one more? Yes. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last one, okay? That's the last one. So you can find C, and then you know the alphabet song, right? So I posted a video tutorial of how to find face, F, A, C, E on the keyboard on the other video on our YouTube channel. So please find and then look at it. Okay, so face and every. Good. Burger deserves fries. French fries. Okay, and then you can figure them out from the C. You know the alphabet song, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay? Yeah. Alright. So from the bottom, it starts on A. So you can explore like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 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 One more. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C. Last one. Okay? Okay, we just explore or Y keyboard. Okay? So just remember to you need to find the logo, the company name, okay, and then there might be C there, middle C there, so find two black keys and then the left one slide down, that's the middle C, okay, and then you can sing the alphabet song and then figure them out. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Alright everyone, so you can learn K-pop piano music by knowing those alphabet letters first. Okay, that's the basic of the basic in the keyboard theory. Okay, everyone, subscribe our YouTube channel and let's learn until you can play famous K-pop music like BTS, Boy, Red Well, or BLACKPINK. How you like that? Okay, everyone. So yeah, let me play one song for you quickly, and then see you next time.